Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down 10 of the best Wiha tools on Amazon, all designed with German precision and built to last. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Wiha 8-piece 3/8 drive SAE impact socket set. This isn't just another set of sockets, it's the kind of gear you reach for when the job gets tough. Inside, you'll find sizes ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 5/8 inch, plus a versatile 1/4 inch hex to 3/8 inch square adapter. Built from heat-treated steel, these sockets are impact tough, ready to take on high-torque challenges without flinching. The relieved 6-point design grips fasteners like a handshake you can trust, while the corrosion-resistant finish keeps them looking sharp job after job. Number 2. Wiha 6-piece insulated SlimLine PocketMax multi-driver. This compact powerhouse includes slotted 3.5mm and 6.5mm blades, Phillips number 1 and number 2, plus a square number 2. Each blade is individually tested to 10,000 volts alternating current and safely rated to 1,000 volts alternating current or 1,500 volts direct current, giving you peace of mind on electrical jobs. The SlimLine technology makes the insulation up to 33% narrower, perfect for tight spaces. With a magnetic easy open top, all bits stay secure and stowed away. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's always ready when you are. Number 3. Wiha ErgoStar Ball End Hex L Key Set. Now let's look at the Wiha ErgoStar Ball End Hex L Key Set, a 22-piece collection that covers both inch and metric sizes. You'll find millimeter keys from 1.5 up to 10, and inch sizes from .050 all the way to 5/16. Made from Wiha's premium tool steel, these keys are built for strength and durability. The magic ring feature locks each key securely in place, while the durable holder keeps everything organized. Chamfered ends ensure smooth engagement with fasteners, reducing wear and frustration. With a chrome finish and ergonomic design, this set makes hex work feel effortless and precise. Number 4. Wiha Stubby screwdriver with 6-in-1 insert bits. When you're working in tight confined spaces, sometimes a full-size driver just won't cut it. That's where the Wiha Stubby screwdriver with 6-in-1 insert bits shines. At only 2.5 inches in overall length, it slips easily into your pocket, yet delivers serious torque when you need it. The handle stores 1-inch bits securely under the end cap, so you can swap them quickly without losing time. With a cushioned grip for comfort and control, plus Wiha's premium precision machine tips to reduce cam out, this little stubby packs big performance. It's proof that small tools can make a huge impact. Number 5. Wiha Magnetic Nut Setter Set. Coming in at number 5, we have the Wiha Magnetic Nut Setter Set, a 6-piece SAE collection designed for speed and reliability. The set includes sizes 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, 7/16 inch, 1/2 inch, and 9/16 inch, all built on a 1/4 inch hex drive. Each piece is color-coded for quick identification, saving you precious time on the job. The industrial-strength magnetic tips hold fasteners securely so you won't fumble or drop screws mid-task. Impact rated to 700 inch-pounds, these nut setters deliver maximum performance with lithium-ion impact drivers. Precision machine tips ensure a perfect fit and reduce cam out. Number 6. Wiha Precision Screwdriver Set. Number 6 on our list is the Wiha Precision Screwdriver Set, a 7-piece collection designed for the finest work. It includes Phillips number 00, number 0, and number 1, along with slotted blades in 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, and 3.0 millimeters. Each driver features a pico finish handle with a smooth turning cap, giving you effortless rotation and control. The tapered handle design allows rapid spinning, while the tip profile is clearly labeled for quick identification. With handles sized proportionate to each blade, you get consistent mechanical advantage. For electronics, watches, or delicate repairs, this set feels precise, comfortable, and reliable. Number 7. Wiha 11-piece Torx Bit Selector. At number 7, we have the Wiha 11-piece Torx Bit Selector, a pocket-sized solution for anyone who works with Torx fasteners. The set includes sizes T5 through T30, giving you a complete range for electronics, automotive, and industrial tasks. Housed in a compact box just 4¼ inches long, 2 inches high, and 3/4 of an inch deep, it features a slide-out drawer for quick access. A 1/4 inch magnetic bit holder is included, making it compatible with power tools. Backed by Wiha's no-hassle guarantee, this set delivers convenience, precision, and reliability in a package small enough to carry anywhere. Number 8. At number 8, we have the Wiha 65-piece System 4 ESD Safe Master Technician Ratchet and MicroBits set. This kit is built for professionals who demand precision and safety. The cushion grip handle is ESD safe, giving you comfort, control, and protection when working with sensitive electronics. A 72-tooth ratchet system delivers smooth action with just a 5-degree arc swing, perfect for tight spaces. The microbit adapter and 100mm extension add multi-tool versatility. With hex profile finger grips, rotating caps, and exact fit precision tips, you'll experience stable fastening, reduced cam out, and confidence on every delicate repair. Number 9. At number 9, we have the Wiha High Leverage End Cutting Nippers, a tool built for strength and reliability. Crafted from Wiha's premium quality tool steel, these nippers are designed to last through years of demanding use. The induction-hardened cutting edges and jaws provide superior longevity, making tough cuts feel effortless. Heavy-duty steel riveted joints add stability and power, while the grips resist oil and solvents for a long service life. Finished with classic soft vinyl grips, they deliver comfort and leverage in every squeeze. Whether you're cutting wires, nails, or fasteners, these nippers give you confidence and control. Number 10. Finally, rounding out our list is the Wiha 3-piece Insulated Industrial Grip Pliers and Cutters set. This professional kit includes 8-inch long-nose pliers, 9.5-inch NE-style lineman's pliers, and 8-inch high-leverage diagonal cutters. Each tool features ergonomic cushion grip handles that give you comfort and control, even during long work sessions. The handles are directly molded to the tool steel, creating a permanent bond for strength and reliability. With a slip guard design built in, you get added protection and peace of mind. Durable, safe, and comfortable, this set is a must-have for serious electrical work.